It is finally here. It is finally time to start cleaning my van. What's cleaning mean? Cleaning refers to basically removing the liner, this thing, the headliner up there, that whatever you call that thing, and that seat, basically. So that's what cleaning means. There's no cleaning products involved here, but basically that's what cleaning means. It means to create a clean slate. All right, so we're gonna take out this, take out this, take out this, take out that. Some of these bolts have been here since the day the van was bought, so yeah, I need to be really careful that I don't break a bolt. Specifically, probably one of those guys and one of these guys right here, because they probably have never been moved since the day they were installed. And yeah, I need to be really careful. Either that or get some of this stuff, penetrant. Larry uses every once in a while, so I'm going to use some of this stuff. So let's put that on there right now. Probably do that one over there. Let's get that in there. All right, got some penetrant. Probably those bolts up there don't need them. All right, so we don't need that. All right, so there you go. So basically, I'm gonna get started. Yay! Finally, after 3 months. Woo! Coolness. All right, so I'm pretty much gonna start with the liner and then move on to the header and everything else in between. All right, let's get started. Mr. Larry is so ow, not happening with that. Mr. Larry has left me some tools to go and to play, which I'm very happy for. Not that I probably need these gloves, so let's just leave that out of the equation for the moment. I might need them later. All right, so first things first is I'm gonna start with this guy, which has been driving me crazy for weeks. Now let's start at the other end. Leave that right there. Let's start at the other end. I believe that's the right one. Let's deconstructing things. All right. The first screw. That guy, ooh, there's some rust there. It's just surface rust. Okay, that's one piece. One down, several to go. So I'm gonna keep this because we're gonna use it as a template for the installation and the subfloor. I'm not gonna throw out this guy. That would be stupid. Why reinvent the wheel? All right, and let's get the washer. Good. Not that we're gonna need them. Somebody may actually wanna buy this when I'm done with it. It's still usable, I just have no use for it. It's not, there's nothing under this except for metal, or at least there shouldn't be anything under this except for metal. All right, all the bolts are out. Yeah, So there are 2 of those in the floor. All right, it's gone. That one actually didn't need to come out because it could have stayed there, but it's actually going to get in the way. Let's see. Okay, those 2 bolts have to come out. That's tightening it. There we go. Good Lord, how deep is this friggin' screw? Oh my God. Okay. So we're probably not going to need these anymore, but you never know. Hope I didn't snap the thing, because it sounds like I just snapped the bolt. I may have snapped the bolt. That does not want to come out of there. All right, let's move on. These guys. Well, after consulting a little bit on YouTube, these bolts are most certainly stuck. However, I have an idea. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy right here, and I'm going to hammer them directly into the bolt. Give it a few taps. And let's see. Ooh, that's coming right out. There you go. Nice. There we go. That's coming right out. Holy finger. There it is. It's finger tight. Okay. Thank friggin' Jesus. All right. That's all taken care of. Let's clear everything off of this. Yay! That just wants to come right out of there. Now, we can't toss this because we're going to use it as a template for the floor. But there it is. Oh my God. Yay. Yay! There it is. All right, so let's put this over here. We have to keep it. That will be my template right there. What a mess. But honestly, though, this floor is actually, I'm eminently surprised by it. It is crystal clear, clean. Wow, impressive. You could eat off of this thing. It's never been exposed to daylight. Wow. Now we got to take out this guy, and basically, I think I'm gonna. I really don't want to do what I'm about to do, but I really don't have any other choice except to do what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take out my trusty handy dandy knife, courtesy Mr. Larry. I'm gonna take my handy dandy knife and I'm gonna cut where those bolts are, because there's no way to get those things out. So let's get all up in that business. I'm gonna cut right here. Cut right around it. Let's It's not ideal, but it's just what's going to happen. I wanted to sell this, but... Ah! Well, there goes that idea. Who wants to buy a damaged header piece? Oh yeah, that piece is coming out of there. Alrighty then. Let's do this. Right, I'm not gonna release those, not just yet. Right, here we go. Pull these guys. One and two. Here we go. Thank God. Alrighty then. All done. Cool beans, huh? What do you think? Liners out, headers out. Next on the list is to take that puppy out. Gonna need some toys. Let's see. I think I need. Probably gonna need these guys. This guy. Hopefully that will focus. It's there we go. Probably gonna need that guy. Ding, because yeah, it's. That's two. Okay, I'll just get right in there. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Not so much with that one. But there's a cable under here that needs to get undone. Right there. That puppy needs to get undone. Aha! That works. Lefty loosen, righty tighten. Right. All undone. Good. Oh, there you go. All done. Get these out of the way. And we're almost home free. Hold on a second, kitties. I want you to have prime location for this. The seat coming out. Here it comes. Okay. And that's gonna live right here for a little while. Here you go. All right. Well, folks, another successful day. Trust me, it was not. Well, I am very pleased that I got here. I'm just dumbfounded. It just took a lot to get here. So, episode 1 in the can, baby. Thank you very much for that. Just a couple of notes, and then you can be on your merry way. Well, no, you can be on your merry way now, although you might miss something important. So in the next episode, I'm going to try and put in my sound dampening. What I'm hearing from the manufacturers of this stuff, and there are about 3 or 4 different competing products that I'm looking at. What I'm hearing is that 25 to 30% is what they're recommending. However, what I'm hearing from people online, that 25 to 30% is not enough. So I'm gonna what they're suggesting is 30 to 50%. So basically, I'm gonna go with the 50% and hope it works out. Let me think. One more thing. Oh yeah. So I am basically dead broke poor at this point. I know the harangue for money. You could click out right now, but just hear me out. So you spend $3 a day for coffee, you know, at Starbucks. Think of it this way, $3 to see a whole bunch of other videos that I post on Patreon that I don't post on YouTube, that you could have access to. So I post daily on Patreon, where you can see basically the updates and what happens instead of these long episodes. So you get to see the stuff incrementally and you get the behind the scenes stuff. So for $3, $5, $10, you'd be helping me out. And the more that you donate, the easier this gets, the easier that my job gets here. So if you can help me out, great, do that. The link is down below in the description. And I would be eternally grateful. Not to mention, you also get your name on this list of supporters. What you're seeing right there is my list of Patreon and patron supporters. So the people that are in bold, I did not ask them. They decided to give of their own volition to help a brother out way above and beyond the needs of whatever I could have asked for. So thank you very much to that entire list, and most of special thanks to those people in bold. Thank you very much for your time, your patience, your patronage, and for watching me take apart my van. Cool beans. And I look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye.